Welcome back to Bags on the Go, and I'm James Bags, and let's get to work. All right, so about to pull out the wagon. Michigan weather is bipolar right now. It's making me feel good though. It's about 40 degrees today, but yesterday it was 50, so a lot of the snow has been melting, and man, it feels so good. I'm fired up. It feels like spring. They say this isn't going to last, but I'm about to soak up all of this energy today. In the meantime, pull these cars out. Gotta get the day rolling. Phone calls will be ringing in for window tint pretty soon. So if you need your windows tinted in Michigan, you know who to call. 248-453-4136, Auto Tint Way. And I'm gonna answer the phone and get you right on in. Home of the, it'll take me about an hour to 30 minutes to get your full car with the windshield done, and 45 minutes to an hour without the windshield on a full car, 2 front windows, 15 minutes, all that good stuff. Y'all know. And if you don't know, I'm telling you, I'm the man window tint when it comes to window tint. Just hit me. You know, owner and operator, so you know the quality is there. That's what they love about it. And y'all check out my reviews. Leave my business a review on Google, Auto Tint Way on Google. My Googles are real. I don't sell my views, good or bad. I tell you, hey, go on Google. Oh, I'm gonna leave a review. Do it, go ahead. It's real, you know what I'm saying? It's real. Y'all know how many people I done good business and continue to do good business with? They ain't gonna leave me no review. They ain't thought about that. They just know where to go get good business, good quality window tint. And you know, they overthink that. But the people that don't agree with me, whew, oh boy, I'd be like, go ahead, go on Google. It's real. Y'all need to see that. But what you ain't gonna never see on my Google review, you never gonna see, oh, it took 3 hours. Oh, it was a horrible job. I couldn't believe it. No, you gonna read between the lines and see who in they feelings and who ain't. And that's the real deal. That's the gist of it. And then my real people's in there showing me love, and I appreciate that. But I'm real. The only problem I got when people just don't want to agree with what I'm saying. So at the end of the day, you ain't gotta choose to listen to me. I ain't talking your ear off to do business with you. My business sells itself. It's good window tint at prices you can't beat and time frame that you can't beat nowhere else. Man, check out my motor. I'm telling you, this weather got me feeling good. I'm amped up today. I'm fired up. So this is where I'm putting all my energy into. Learning this. It's like my boy Myron said, it was gonna be real simple once you get into it. And it is. But every day I keep just trying to watch different videos, try to figure out what parts I'm ordering and what they do. Let's look at the Impala real quick, because I got something to say about it. I got something to say about it. Y'all just hold on. We're gonna do this walk around real quick, then I'm gonna pull it out. You know, the cleanliness, the details, that's what sets apart my car from the others. The back seat is the only thing in this car that's original. Well, the visors too. The visors, I didn't have those done. But that's it. Everything else in this car has been touched and restored. And guess what, y'all? Y'all can see the full process right there on the channel. A lot of you already have. But if you're interested in my 94 Impala, please, please, please get in contact with me. You're seeing all the work, all the time, money, and effort, hours, all that stuff that went into building this car. And I would like to say it here. Yes, I'm serious. It's for sale. It's just a point where I had to choose between my coupe or this. Never did I think about selling my wagon. No, no, no. Get your greasy paws off of my wagon. I said, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and sell this. I ain't got no attachments to this car. If somebody really want it, I don't know. I'm not giving it away, but I also want to make sure it goes to a good home. Somebody that's gonna really, really love this car. You know what I'm saying? Give it the time that it deserves to drive it and just appreciate it. So if you're interested, contact me. I want $20,000 for this car. I done the suspension, I done the interior, I done the up under the hood details. I done had this whole front clip off. Y'all done seen it. I done touched every bit of this car besides the trunk and the exhaust. Yep. That's it. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen every bits and pieces of me building this car. So I'm just trying to get this car to a happy home, a loving home. So if you're interested, please contact me, and we will talk about it. We'll see what we can do. OBO, possibly. Gotta be serious though. I ain't giving nothing away, but I want to make sure we get it in a happy home, a loving home. Somebody that's gonna appreciate all this work that I've done. Yeah. What else I want to talk to y'all about real quick? Oh, so the issue with the car overheating, it got air in the lines and the whatever, it got air in it. So I gotta bleed all the fluid out and then put the fluid back in. So I could do that, or you could do that. And the dash cluster, I got an extra dash cluster, so you could send it in to the guy that repairs the dash clusters. I think he charged 75 bucks to repair it. I got an extra one, so you ain't gotta take this one out the car. I put this one in it because the guy told me this one works, so I bought it from him and put it in here. Bam, it don't work. So I mean, it works a lot better than the one that I had in here, because the one I had in here that came with the car, it will come on and it will just go off and never come back on until they wanted to. This one actually comes on, it stay on, but then it goes off, it comes on. So it's also a defective one too that's going bad. Just common for these cars. So I got that connect for you to send him the dash and get it fixed. Me, I'm just not interested anymore of going forward or even worry about this car. I am done. I'm ready to move on. I'm learning right now to build with my motor, and it's just the beginning. But when I bring that car out within like the next month or two, I'ma have 4 cars in the shop, or one sitting outside, and I don't want that. So I got one too many right now, so I can get rid of one right now. So I didn't want to make a post and put it on Facebook, but I did. So it's on Facebook Market in Livonia, Michigan. You can check it out. It's 94 Impala. Yeah, I ain't sad to see it go. It's just, you know, I would have loved to been able to drive this car, but I'd rather drive my wagon, my coupe, my Monte Carlo, or my Slingshot, and my lady's new Camaro. I think I won't be missing anything. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just trying to get this car into a new loving home. I mean, you can't beat it. You ain't gonna find one of these online nowhere. This clean. This clean? Nah. I done seen them online. They decent. Don't get me wrong. They decent and all, but it's just not this one. Front end has to be aligned so you can drop it down how you want to drop it down, or put some lowering springs up front. You can do that. You know, when I was building this car, I tried to have people around me that knew exactly what they was doing so they could tell me exactly what to do, but I see they failed me. Nobody told me when I had that car jacked up. Nobody told me when I had that car jacked up in the air and I was doing a suspension not to bolt down everything while the car was hanging. Should have put it on the ground or jacked the wheels up, or whatever the case, how they say, put some ramps up under it and then tighten all the bolts. Because I done threw the whole, now it's all jacked up, I done threw the whole alignment off on it. It's all jacked up in the air, should have nose pointed down. Then I was gonna put the lowering springs on and all of that. I just said, one day, someday I get to it. But hey man, I did my part. I pulled that boy out of the garage that it was in, hurting, and got it out here, and look at it now. It's crispy. So yeah, like I say, man, I chose my Caprice, my Landau, my 85 over my 94. All right, and I'm gonna keep this. I want to be able to drive this. I still gotta do the headliner on this and undercoat the undercarriage. You know, change my white walls. Can't wait to do my headliner. You know, just a little few things. I gotta grab me a new back window because taking the tint off, scratch all the defrost lines off. Them is impossible to find, but I'm gonna continue to do a search, and these cars gonna continue to come about. Hopefully I can find one that they know are cracked up and they can sell me some parts or something. I've been seeing a few of them come about on Facebook, but I don't be trusting people, man, about buying parts on Facebook Market anymore and all of that, because on them pages they know they gonna get you because it's that group where everybody got that car. So all they need to do is scammers, all they need to do is create a post and lie and say they got this and this, and all they need is the money, and that's just about it. They just gonna get money out of the group. And it happened to me once, and that's it. Burnt me, and you'll never get me back. So, you know, if I can't go pick it up, I won't be buying nothing unless I know you. So yeah, I want to be able to drive this. I think this is going to be something else. I'm gonna lift up the front a little bit so it ain't got that sag. But yeah, I'd rather just drive my wagon. And man, like I say, I feel so good right now by this temperature being up, and the rain is making all the snow melt. It brought my energy back. Because I was again having a hard time with this cold weather, man. Having a hard time with this cold weather. I'm just ready to be in spring weather, and I'll drive this in the rain. I wouldn't mind. Like I say, my day is when I go out to my driveway, hop in my whip, and go to work in them, go home in them. You know, that's it. That's all I want to do. Being able just to hop in it, it's on the road. I can take it some places where I'm headed, and to make a trip out of it, experience. So yeah, I'm on that. So I feel good right now. I ain't gonna lie. I feel good. Look, whoever wanted is ready to go to a new home. It's ready. I want 20,000 OBO. Get it close to that number, we can talk. Y'all see all the hard work and efforts I put into that car. So somebody gonna appreciate it, and that's all I need is one person. And if there's a couple of y'all can, whoever come here first can have it. So yeah, so I'm gonna drive the wagon. This is my car. I'm gonna keep the wagon instead of the Impala. Why not? Got to. So there's the news. There's the news. Look at the wheels. Woo! Come on now. It's crispy all the way back there too. I got the front license plate cover too, if y'all want to put that on the bumper. You can throw that in there. I got some, let me show you what's in the trunk. That goes with the car. There's some few plastic pieces that go up under the front. The pieces that broke off, I got them back. Just then put them pieces on. I had just got them. These right here is for the delete the cats with the O2 sensors. I got brand new O2 sensors too, both of them, so you can do your exhaust all the way back from the manifold. But that's, it'll be all brand new, sounding good, and a few parts and stuff. I think it was like some extra stuff. I had bought these from somebody, Big O, I believe. Yeah, I bought these from Big O, and never used them. But there's some suspension parts. This right here, brand new line that goes to the radiator, and I think it was, yeah, radiator or transcooler, one of those. Probably not my box of with all my my stuff in it, my sandpaper and stuff like that, but the factory pieces for the because you know I changed it up under the hood. I'm taking my welder mat, my welder helmet, but you got all the carpet in here. Take it out. I could use a rinsing. Like I said, I didn't get in the trunk at all. I've just been working on the car on all the other places, but everything is here. Equipped with all brand new LED lights on everything. So, I mean, you done synced it all. Yeah, so I'm into my LS build. I'm all into this motor. I couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. Been doing my research, and I really been missing out. I've been missing out. So that's what we're gonna do. I think what y'all think? I think I should change the valve covers to black instead of red, but I don't know. Yeah, I think if when I get my intake, the intake will be black. I think then that'll make everything look better, because you know it's missing something right there. You know, I don't know. Got some parts coming. I got some parts in already, but we're gonna get to that another day. I'll break them down, show you what they do, why I got them, stuff like that. But try to make this one nice little quick video, be in and out. Appreciate all the supporters. Bags on Go. Make sure you like the video. If you're interested in the car, contact me, because it's for sale. It's ready for you. Pick it up, and I'll see y'all next time, and I'm out.